In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Hubstaff to Slack. This is a straightforward process, but it's essential to ensure that each step is followed carefully for seamless integration between the two platforms. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to navigate to the Hubstaff dashboard. Once you're there, you'll want to locate the Settings tab. This is your starting point for accessing various configurations for your Hubstaff setup. The Settings option is typically found within the main navigation menu. Once you click on it, you'll be directed to a page that houses multiple settings categories. Next, you'll need to click on the Integrations tab within the Settings menu. This section is explicitly designed for connecting Hubstaff to different platforms like Slack. Integrations provide a way to automate tasks and enhance productivity by sharing information between apps. After clicking on Integrations, scroll down the page. You'll see a list of applications to which Hubstaff can be connected. Scrolling down will reveal more options, including our target for today's setup, which is Slack. Once you've scrolled and located the integration options, the next step is to type in Slack in the search bar if it's not immediately visible. Given the vast number of possible integrations, using the search function can quickly pinpoint the Slack integration option. After typing in Slack, you need to click on the Connect button that appears next to it. This action initiates the process of linking your Hubstaff account with your Slack workspace. Finally, follow the on-screen prompts. At this stage, Hubstaff will provide a series of instructions and permissions requests to finalize the integration. Make sure to read through each prompt carefully to understand what permissions you are granting. You will likely be required to authorize Hubstaff to access your Slack workspace, allowing it to post messages or access certain Slack features. It's important to confirm these permissions to ensure that Hubstaff can communicate effectively with Slack. And that's it. Your Hubstaff account should now be successfully integrated with Slack. This connection allows Hubstaff to send activity updates and reports directly to your chosen Slack channels, making it easier than ever to keep your team informed and coordinated. For additional tips, remember that it's always a good idea to test the integration by performing a simple action in Hubstaff that should trigger a Slack notification. This way, you can verify that everything is working as expected. If you encounter any issues, revisiting each step can help troubleshoot any potential setup mishaps. Integrating Hubstaff with Slack is a fantastic way to streamline your workflow and enhance team collaboration. Thank you for following along, and feel free to explore further configurations to tailor this integration to fit your specific needs.